To make blueberry buttermilk buckle, start by spreading 10 grams of room temperature butter on the bottom of 3 small mason jars to cook the buckle batter on. Then scale into a mixing bowl 25 grams whole wheat cake flour, 20 grams cold butter pieces, 25 grams cinnamon icing sugar, and rub the butter into the flour and sugar for a few minutes to make the crumble dough. Then to make the batter, scale the dry ingredients, 25 grams whole wheat cake flour, a pinch of salt, 15 grams cane sugar, 5 grams baking powder, and mix them together. Then scale the wet ingredients, 25 grams buttermilk, 1 whole egg, and the zest of a lemon. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until combined, and divide the batter between the 3 jars. Add 40 grams of blueberries to each jar, making sure to press the berries into the batter, and finish with a layer of crumb topping. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes and allow to cool. Serve warm with a scoop of your favorite ice cream.